Hey everyone, this is Katie. Obviously, you know it's me because you're at my YouTube channel. This is today's look with my new Glam palette by Anastasia. I think I have it right here. Soft Glam. Don't forget that soft part. Very important. I like it. Kind of more dramatic than I made normally, but overall, I like it, and I used my new Tarte eyelashes, which I've never used before, and I must say I really do like them. They're pretty dramatic and flirty and pretty. These are the Double Duty Maneater eyelashes. So, rawr. Anyway, um, yeah. So I hope you watch the video and stick around with me. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And let's get started. And that's all. This is the end. This is the finished look. I don't know what that was. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is it. Using my palette. I'm a huge fan of that thing. You can do a lot of cool stuff with it. Mix some stuff together. Should I blink? Do a blink one? It'd be funny if my eyelashes got stuck together or fell off. Anyway, this is it. Hope you enjoyed it and stuck around with me till the end. If you did, thank you. I don't know. I guess that's all I had to say this time, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.